The INFJ personality type is a rare gem comprising only 1–2% of the population. Yet, these individuals consistently find themselves at the top of their fields thanks to the unique set of principles that define their approach to life and work. In this video, we will delve into the quintessential traits that set INFJs apart, enabling them to excel in various domains. 1. Empathy as a superpower. Empathy is the cornerstone of the INFJ's success. Their innate ability to understand and share the feelings of others grants them a profound advantage in interpersonal relationships. This quality fosters deep connections, trust, and loyalty, making them exceptional team players and leaders. By comprehending the needs and emotions of those around them, INFJs create harmonious environments where individuals thrive. 2. Visionary thinking leads the way. INFJs possess an uncanny capacity for envisioning the bigger picture. They excel at seeing beyond the immediate circumstances and into a future brimming with potential. This visionary outlook allows them to set ambitious goals and chart a course towards their realization. Whether in creative pursuits or strategic planning, this foresight empowers INFJs to manifest their aspirations with precision. 3. Authenticity and integrity. Authenticity is the bedrock of the INFJ's character. They embrace their true selves and hold steadfast to their values. This authenticity radiates, drawing others to their genuine nature. Coupled with unwavering integrity, INFJs build reputations as trustworthy and reliable individuals. This trust forms the basis for enduring connections and propels them to the forefront of any endeavor. 4. Innate problem-solving prowess. INFJs possess an analytical mind that thrives on solving complex problems. Their keen intuition and analytical prowess allow them to dissect challenges and uncover innovative solutions. This problem-solving aptitude, coupled with their empathetic approach, equips INFJs to tackle even the most intricate issues, earning them recognition as invaluable assets in any professional setting. 5. Adaptive resilience in the face of adversity. Resilience is woven into the fabric of an INFJ's character. When confronted with adversity, they don't merely endure, they adapt and grow stronger. This resilience enables them to navigate through turbulent waters and emerge with newfound wisdom and strength. It's this ability to weather storms with grace that cements their position at the pinnacle of their chosen endeavors. The INFJ's unique blend of empathy, visionary thinking, authenticity, problem-solving acumen, and adaptive resilience collectively form the bedrock of their success. By harnessing these core principles, INFJs not only excel in their respective fields, but also leave an indelible mark on those fortunate enough to cross their path. Embracing these principles can be a transformative journey for anyone seeking to reach their full potential.